DeepSeek AI is designed to streamline your workflow and enhance decision-making through its powerful features. Automated data. Discovery makes it easy for users to quickly find and understand relevant data sets, even within large, complex repositories. This allows for efficient data analysis without spending hours searching. Next, powerful predictive analytics uses advanced algorithms to provide insights into future trends, helping businesses make informed, data-driven decisions that shape their strategies. With intelligent automation, DeepSeek AI takes over repetitive tasks, freeing up time for analysts to focus on higher-level, strategic initiatives, driving productivity across the board. Finally, scalable and customizable. DeepSeek AI can be tailored to fit the unique needs of any industry, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can take full advantage of its capabilities. DeepSeek AI offers powerful features that make a real impact on businesses and users. Personalized recommendations is one such feature. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, DeepSeek AI provides tailored suggestions, ensuring a more relevant and engaging experience for each individual. In addition, fraud detection and prevention helps safeguard businesses by identifying and preventing fraudulent activities in real time, reducing risks and protecting assets. Lastly, DeepSeek AI excels in process optimization, enabling organizations to streamline their operations and cut unnecessary costs, boosting overall efficiency. These features not only enhance user experience but also provide critical business insights to drive smarter decisions. DeepSeek AI offers immense value across various industries. For businesses, it automates processes, enhances customer experiences, and enables data-driven decisions for a competitive edge. In healthcare, it supports early disease detection, personalized treatments, and better patient outcomes. Finance benefits from DeepSeek AI's fraud detection, risk management, and personalized financial services. In retail, it helps understand customer behavior, optimize inventory, and tailor marketing campaigns for increased sales and engagement.